Hello, I'm back again with another PowerPoint tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make puzzles. If you find the video useful, please like it and subscribe. Please watch till the end as I will share some helpful tips about how you can create your own teaching resources using puzzles. In the description below, I also have a link for a template that you can use to make your own puzzles. Okay, let's start. So first, you are going to insert a square. I'm going to make my squares 2 by 2. Then you're going to insert a circle. I'm going to make mine 0.6. 0.6. Okay, now once you have your circle, you're going to duplicate it. Now I'm going to make my puzzle piece. Okay, so I've aligned it in the middle. I'm first going to select the square, then the circle. When I look at drawing tools, you'll see now that I also have other functions here, and I'm going to subtract. So now the circle's gone, but the shape will remain in the square. Again, I'm going to place my circle on the square, select the square first, and then the circle. And now I'm going to say union. So I have my puzzle piece. I'm not going to make all the puzzle pieces. In the description below, you'll find a link to a template with this puzzle on it. Now I've placed my puzzle pieces close to each other, but I don't want the lines to touch. This is very important. Now I'm going to take an image with a background. I'm going to copy this image and I'm going to place it here. I'm going to make it slightly bigger. And then I'm going to send it to the back. I'm going to keep my image selected. Then I'm going to press Ctrl and select my puzzle pieces. I'm going to move to the drawing tools again. I'm going to go to merge shapes again, but this time I'm going to select fragment. Once I've done that, you will see now I have my puzzle pieces. Here I already created a puzzle. As you can see, I have separate puzzle pieces. Now I will share my tips on how you can create your own teaching resources. Here I created a puzzle and I have taken out the middle piece of the puzzle and I created 2 puzzle pieces with the same image, but the puzzle pieces have different shapes. So the student needs to select which one is the correct one. They can just draw and then show. For the next activity, I created an entire puzzle and I have all the puzzle pieces, so they need to build the puzzle. Again, they can just draw arrows to show where they think the different puzzle pieces will go. For my last activity, I took an image and then I took out a puzzle piece. These puzzle pieces are identical, but the section of the picture that was taken is different. So now they have to look at the picture and figure out which puzzle piece will fit into the picture. And they can just draw to show. I hope this helps, and please subscribe and like if you found this video helpful. Thank you.